All right, welcome everyone to the on time, on target play of the day. You have four screens in front of you on the TD Ameritrade ThinkPipes platform. You have the S&P 500 1-minute chart all the way to the far left. Then you have two longs and a short. So SRNE Long, SKLZ Long, both on 1-minute charts. And then VTNR is your short. Stand by for the opening bell. All right, there is the opening bell. So I'm watching SRN here, SRNE first. I do like the fact that it's selling off here. I think that's nice. We'll let it establish the low of the day and then look to take it higher. VTNR is kind of falling off a cliff. I don't really like that as much. So I'm bringing my brain back over here to SRNE. All right, 796 is the low of the day. That means 806 is your entry point for a 10-cent stop. Pretty aggressive. I'd rather it actually hold here for another minute, get into the second minute of the day before we hop in and just make sure the selling is done. Okay, we've got a new low, so those numbers don't work anymore, so stand by. 790 is now the new low of the day, which puts our entry point at 8 going higher. It's a pretty good entry point, so get ready for it. Again, Sorrento Long waiting for $8 a share, and we'll hop in with a 10-cent stop. So size your trade appropriately. 8, there it is. We are in the trade. Again, we're going to go down here at 790. That's your stop. And you remember, if these things don't work, you got to protect that stop. So you only lose your one risk unit. I'll draw your arrow for you here long so you don't get confused on what we're doing. And then our first R point is 810. Second R point is 820. And then off the screen is 830. So really like the entry point on this trade. All right, I think this continues higher. It'd be nice if it did it while I was talking before I switch off the screens. But everybody, just wanted to recap the trade on Sorrento Therapeutics. You can see we entered at 8. We left off the air. It was up around just the 2R point. Obviously, you can see it continued on. It took about another 7 or 8 minutes or so to get to the 3R point with our exit at 8:30. So again, to recap, in at 8, we covered that low of the day of 790 with a 10-cent stop. 3 times that is what we got up to, and the exit again at 8:35. And you see it didn't stay there long, so that's why you want to make that exit. So that's all I've got for you. Good trade. We'll see you back tomorrow.